finishing off my pre-workout drink. Some game day Tropic Fury. Get my energy up. We need our energy for today. So we got a lot of moving around to do. So therefore we need our energies. So let's get started.
Next thing we're going to do is, instead of using Atlas stones, we're going to use kegs and treat them like Atlas stones. Pick them up, put them on this platform, and put them back down.
As men, we like to pick up weights and then put them back down. Alright, fun little workout, got to smash some stuff, got to lift some stuff. But now, it's time to end off with the most valuable piece. Them calves. Some calf raising. You guys enjoyed that video. Lots of fun. These are the kind of workouts that I like to film because it's just fun, the kind of workouts I like to do. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comment box below. Like up this video and subscribe. Make sure you grab yourself some TF apparel, Tropic Fury, and New Age mouthpiece. Catch you guys later. Stay sexy, stay hungry, and of course, yeah!